Right, guys, back with another recap. Today's recap's going to be up very early, I think. Probably about 4 p.m. Just latest it should be up by UK time, that is. Today's recap is a interesting one. After yesterday's video, I was quite, what's the best way for it? I was very upset about yesterday. I was very pissed off with myself, very um, disappointed, and just genuinely overall frustrated with myself because I'd let a stupid trade go and happen and didn't need to happen at all. I should never have ever let that happen. And I was debating at the start of the day, straight away afterwards. I was like, look, I'm going to go on tomorrow. I'm going to trade 5 lots, not 5 lots, 3 lots. I'm going to try and just trade that from that one. Hopefully, I have 2 days in a row of green, and I'll be back above zero, and we'll go from that. And I had I had a talk with my partner as well um, about it. She trades as well, not as much as me, but she does trade as well. Um, and I had a talk with her thinking about what the best rate route was. And it was one of them where it's like, if I'd have gone on yesterday and made money yesterday, would I have changed what I was doing? No. So just because I did a stupid thing, because, yeah, right, it was stupid, but it's not like it was, what's the best word for it? It's not like, it's not like I sat there and gave away 10,000. I only lost 1,800 on the day, which is a lot of money, but it's the principle of it's not the end of the world amount of money. I only lost 1,800. I only sat there and gave away, not that much in the grand scheme of things. I still have a $4,500 drawdown account. I gave away not even half of it, like just over a third of it. So it's like it's not that big of a deal. If I'd have gone on yesterday and made 1,800, would I have changed what I was doing the next day? No, I would have done the exact same thing because it's not one of them where I should be changing what I'm doing off depending on what's happened the day before. Now I went on today and after talking and stuff, and I was like, look, I'm just gonna do what I was doing before. I'm gonna trade one lot. I'm gonna play it safe and I'm gonna play it slow, and I will grind this account back up slowly. Whether it takes me a week or 2 weeks or 2 months, I'm gonna grind the account up slowly because right now I am not in a position where I feel like I'm a profitable trader, and there's no point in me sitting there and trying to swing high and swing for the fences when I'm not feeling like I'm a profitable trader at all. At least right now. I felt like I was in a position before I started YouTube where I felt like I was maybe a profitable trader to a certain level. Maybe not as profitable as I would like, but profitable to a level that was acceptable. I now, after the last 2 months, 3 months, I've realised, yeah, okay, I'm not profitable yet. I'm not profitable. So my idea right now is to sit there and give my give my sort of situation a little bit of a chance. Let the trades play out how they should play out. Trade how I want to trade. Trade how I think I should be trading. Trade sensibly. That's it. Because right now I am not trading. Well, I wasn't trading in a way that made any sense at all. I was not trading a consistent way. I was not trading profitability, and consistency is the biggest thing with trading. I went on today with the idea of trading one lot. I'm going to keep my stops at a reasonable level, 10, maximum 20 points. And I'm just going to trade like that. And that's what I'm going to be doing for the foreseeable future. Now, as you'll see in the background, the trade's probably already played out and I'm already on the back screen because it was quite a quick trade. Today's trade was a quick trade. I maybe went up in profit 4 or 5 points, but I wasn't going to take that off because I had the idea of what I wanted to do and how I wanted to execute it. I had my idea before I entered the trade how I wanted to execute that trade. And that was it. There was no reason for me to sit there and change what I was doing or hold the trade longer than I needed to. I had a point where I wanted to get in the trade and a point where I wanted to get out the trade, and if it didn't go to my take profit before it went to my stop loss, that made the trade irrelevant to me. That's what happened. That's how I was trading today. I was trading with the idea of if it doesn't go to my take profit before it goes to my stop loss, the trade's irrelevant and I don't want to hold this because it could easily sell off. Now, just looking at this now, I have my stop at 76.5, which is a fine stop to me. And the Nasdaq now is at 45, so I would have had to risk on this trade already, even if it does go up 30 more points. So I would have been down on $800 right now. That's not worth it. That's not what I want to do. That's not how I want to trade. I yesterday went for a hit and hope luck trade. Now, in reality, this trade today is a lot more likely to go that way, and is a lot more likely to go up because purely for the factor of you look at the market, you look at it, I'm getting long, so this instantly ups your probability. And secondly, the market has been wanting to go up a lot. We could easily see this market reverse and go up now today, but I'm not going to sit there in that trade all day. I've took my $200 loss. I'm walking. I'm done for the day. I'm moving on to the weekend, and we'll go again next week. The account is not over. The account is nowhere near to the point of being done, especially when I'm trading one lot. If I was trading 3 lots, we're getting like to a point where it's a bit shaky now. If trading 2 lots, we'll still be alright. But I'm trading 1 lot at a minute. Until I feel confident and comfortable with what I'm doing, I'm trading 1 lot. That's it. I will be sat there taking these trades day by day, trade by trade, and doing that route. And I'm almost 100% certain if I sit there and stick with what I'm doing, stick with 1 lot, don't do stupid stuff, stick with 1 lot, I will sit there and I will be back to at least profit on the account within the next 2 to 3 weeks. That's how I feel. Maybe 3 weeks, but we'll see. Well, I'm just going to take it slow. There's no rush, no need to do anything stupid. Within the next 2 to 3 weeks, by the end of this month probably, I will be back to green on the account. And I'll be back to pushing up. That's all I got to do. That's all I got to have the idea of. There is no reason for me to do anything other than that. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. I hope everyone enjoys the weekend. Just the best advice that I can give and that is helping me at the minute is have your plan before you enter the trade of where your stop is. The take profit you can figure out as you go, but do the stop loss before you enter the trade. If you don't have a stop on your trade before you enter it, don't take the trade. That's plain and simple. You can add the stop loss when you enter the trade and be willing to click before that point, depending on the market, but don't enter a trade without a stop. Without a stop, you are literally sat there putting yourself in a position where if this trade doesn't go your way, you have no unlimited loss, which is what I did yesterday. That's my biggest take and my biggest thing that I'm going to do moving forward. Always put a stop on straight away. If it goes and hits my stop, it hits my stop. I can't stop it. Like, it's just the end of the world. It's not the end of the world at all. But don't sit there and let the trade go too far one way and wreck you. That's the best way I can put it. Right, I'm going to end the video here because this is already an 8-minute video and this clip is probably only about 40 seconds long. So you've been black screen for ages. I'm probably just ranting to myself, so I doubt anyone will watch this far. But if you are, thank you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys already on next week. So.